Hello there. I'm John Walker, and I am a chemist and apothecary from England. I created the match. The match is used to start a flame by using friction combined with chemicals to create a chemical reaction. If not using the chemicals, it would be harder to start a flame. Matches provide a simple and convenient way to start a flame, which would eventually light a campfire, stove, candle, and many other things. Now, my friend Charlie Turner will talk to you about the major materials about a match. Wood. Wood is chosen as a main material because it provides a porous base for the chemicals, and it is rich enough when the match strikes against an object. In wooden stick matches, the wood found in pine and aspen trees are most commonly used. The origin of wood is from trees, and trees come from seeds, air, sunlight, water, and nutrients. The wood proceeds through a peeler and chopper, which peels the wood into big long sheets and chops it into little sticks. Wood is a raw material. Ammonium phosphate. Ammonium phosphate is chosen to prevent any uncontrolled combustion. The wooden stick is dipped into ammonium phosphate. It also prevents the stick from smoldering after the flame has gone out. Ammonium phosphate is a fire retardant and a solid nutrition fertilizer. It is created by a process of treating phosphate rock with sulfuric acid and phosphoric acid. Hot paraffin wax. Hot paraffin wax is chosen because it transfers the flame from chemicals to the wood, which would start the flame and sustain combustion. Hot paraffin wax is petroleum wax and needs to be processed. It is not a raw material. Phosphorus sesquisulfide and potassium chloride. These are both substances that are highly reactive. The phosphorus sesquisulfide is used because it is a non-toxic chemical that can be easily reacted to friction when rubbed against rough surface. And potassium chloride is used because it provides oxygen needed for this reaction. These two chemicals work together. Animal glue. Animal glue is used because it is a strong natural adhesive that has been used ever since the ancient times. It comes from animal byproducts. It is used because the match to attach the chemicals together. It is a raw material. Zinc oxide. Zinc oxide is added to the tip because it gives the tip of the match a whitish color. Zinc oxide is also what helps the heat disperse. It is a raw material. Sulfur. Sulfur is used because it is an element used to help sustain combustion in the match. It is a chemical you smell when you light the match. It is widely found in nature. It is a raw material. Rosin. Rosin is a black raw material found from pine trees. It is used because it aids in combustion. Dye. Dye is chosen because it gives the base of the tip its color. This is a diagram of a match. In 1887, I found out if I used chemicals and wood, I could light a fire. This invention was pretty much by accident. I dipped a wooden stick into some chemicals and accidentally rubbed it against a hearth, and I got a flame. I lived in Stockton-on-Tees, England, and I used antimony fluid, potassium, charlotte, gum, and starch. These are totally different materials than what we use today. The first person to buy the match from me was from Mr. Hickson on April 7th, 1827.